Today we start the practice set 1.5. First question is, two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the sum smaller number and twice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. क्वेश्चन में दिया है फाइंड द नंबर्स. अंडरस्टूड. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हमको? क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि दो नंबर्स का डिफरेंट मतलब क्या? माइनस, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन दिया द सम ऑफ ट्वाइस स्मॉलर नंबर एंड ट्राइस द ग्रेटर नंबर इज 19. फाइंड द नंबर. suppose greater number be x and smaller number be y. Understood? Now first condition, two number differ by 3. Two number is means what? Greater number and smaller number. Two number differ by 3. This is equation number 1. Now second number is second equation, second condition. What is second condition? The sum of twice the smaller number, smaller number twice be y. Then write here 2y and tries the greater number, greater number means what? Tries 3x, total is sum, then plus sum is number is 19 is equal to 19. This is equation number 2. Got it? ये इक्वेशन नंबर क्या हो गया हमारा 2. अब पहले इक्वेशन में देखो यहाँ पे 2y है, यहाँ पे ओनली वन कांस्टेंट है इसका, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ऐसा में तो क्या इक्वेशन आएगा ये 2x माइनस 2y इज इक्वल टू 6. ये इक्वेशन नंबर क्या हो गया हमारा 3. ओके. Now we solve second and third. There is plus 2i, there is minus 2i. Adding equation third and 2. What is third equation? 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. Adding 3 to 5x, this is cancelled, plus minus cancelled, is equal to 25. Got it? Now x is equal to 25 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. X is equal to what? X is equal to 5. Got it? We put equation number 1, putting value x in equation 1. Put here x is equal to 5. Then write down here 5 minus y is equal to 3 minus y is equal to 3. There is plus sign, there is minus 5. Y is equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2. There is minus cancelled. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2. Clear? Now write down answer. Greater number be 5 and smaller number be 2. Got it? Now second question, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग। क्वेश्चन दिया आई एम रेक्टेंगल, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई, फाइंड माय पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया। हाउ टू सॉल्व? फर्स्ट, you know there is rectangle property. What is the property? Property is opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal means what? These sides and this side will be equal, and this side and this side will be equal. Then first condition we apply, then write down here also opposite sides of rectangle are equal. First condition, what is the first condition? 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to which number? This side, 4x minus y, because this side equal to this side. Okay, then 2x, then plus, this side will be minus sign, plus y, then minus, plus is equal to, यहाँ पे प्लस 8 है, वो साइड आएगा जाएगा माइनस 8, 2x माइनस 4x इज माइनस 2x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 8। 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा ये माइनस x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4। दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 1। नाउ सेकेंड कंडीशन, this side is equal to this side, then write down here 2y is equal to x plus 4, x, there is plus, minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Condition number 2. There is minus, this is also minus, we subtracting equation second from 1. What is second? Minus x plus 2y is equal to 4, minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. There is subtracting, sign will be changed, this is cancelled, 2y minus y is equal to 8, y is equal to 8. Now put the equation number 1, put equation 1, y is equal to 8. What is the first equation? Minus x plus y is 8 is equal to minus 4. Minus x is equal to minus 4. This is plus, there will be minus 8. Minus x is equal to minus 4, minus 8 is equal to plus 12. But sign will be biggest number. There is minus 8, sign is minus. Minus minus will be cancelled. X is equal to 12. X value is 12 and y value is 8. Got it? Now next find out the perimeter and area. Understood? First find out rectangle of length. Length of rectangle is equal to 2x plus y plus 8. 2x value is what? 12 plus y value is 8 plus 8 is equal to 24, 16, 40. Got it? अगर यहाँ पे भी वैल्यू रखोगे 4 x minus y, 4 into 12, 48, minus 8 is 40. Understood? Now breadth of rectangle is equal to 2y. 2 into y is 8 is equal to what? 16. Got it? Now find out the area. Find out area. Rectangle of area is equal to length into breadth. What is the length? Length is 40 and breadth is 16. 40 into 16 is equal to 640. Got it? This is a square unit. Now last is perimeter. Rectangle of perimeter. You can write perimeter of rectangle. Understood? This is same. 2 length plus breadth is equal to 2 in length is what? 40 plus breadth is 60 is equal to 56 is equal to what? 1 1 2. Sign will be unit. Understood? Third question. The sum of father age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present age. We suppose here, suppose father's present age be X years and son present age be Y years. Now first condition, what is the first condition? The sum of father age and twice the sum of fathers means age means मतलब फादर का एज क्या है यहाँ पे x and twice the age of his son means what? Twice means 2x 2 son y. Then what? Sum means what? Add is equal to 70. This is equation number first. Got it? Now second condition. If we double the age of father age will be double. Then father age will be double 2x and add it to the age of his son. सन का एज क्या करना है हमको? वही वापस लेना है, सेम है. ठीक है. इस सम मींस एडिशन is 95 is equal to what? 95. This is equation number 2. You got it? First condition and second condition. Now there is 2x and there is 2x, there is only 1. We multiply this equation in 2. Multiply this equation with 2. Now 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. This equation number third. We solve it. There is positive numbers. We'll apply subtracting. Now subtracting equation 3 from 1. Now what is third equation? 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. 2x plus y is equal to 95. Subtracting, sign will be changed. There is sign will be changed. Got it? Is cancelled. Plus 4y minus 3y minus y is equal to what? 3y is equal to 5 and 4. So y is equal to what? 45 divided by 3. Now y is equal to 3 ones are 3, 15. Y is equal to 15. Got it? Now put this value in equation number 1. We find out the x value. Putting in equation 1, y is equal to 15. X plus 2, 15 is equal to 70. X plus 30 is equal to 70. X is equal to 70. यहाँ प्लस है तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा -30. X is equal to what? 40. X is equal to what? 40. Now write down here answer. Father present age B. Father present age B 40 years and son present age B 15 years. Got it? Question 4. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. Suppose fraction be x upon y. Understood? This is what is x. X is here. X is equal to numerator and y is equal to denominator. Got it? Now first condition. What is the first condition? The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator of a fraction more than twice its numerator. Understood? Question is what? Denominator means y and twice than numerator. Numerator कितना है हमारा? Twice. More than numerator twice. 4 then. 4 is more. Then equation is y is equal to 2x plus 4. We substitute here minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. This is condition number 1. Got it? Now second condition. What is second condition? Denominator becomes 12 times. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Reduced by 6. Then write here denominator and numerator. Reduced by 6. Minus 6 becomes 12 times the numerator. This is the numerator. Numerator is what? 12 times. Got it? Now this is equation. We solve here. Y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 72. There is plus sign. This is minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 72 plus 6. Then minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 66. This is equation number 2. The first and this is equation number 2. There is plus sign. There is also plus sign. We are subtracting here. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. 1 from 2. What is the first? Minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. Minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 66. Subtracting, sign will be changed. There is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Got it? This is cancelled. Plus 12x minus 2x is 10x is equal to plus 66 and plus 4 is 70. X is equal to 70 upon 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 7s are. X is equal to what? 7. Got it? X value is 7. Now put the equation number 1. Put equation number 1. X is equal to 7 minus 2. 7 plus y is equal to 4 minus 14 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4, then minus there will be plus y is equal to 18. Y is equal to what? 18. Understood? This is what? This is a numerator and this is a denominator. Write down here answer. Fraction is what? 7 upon 18. Got it? Now question number 5. Two types of boxes A, B are to be placed in the truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of a type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs to 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each types of boxes. Write down here. Suppose a type of box weight be X and B types of box weight be Y. Understood? Now, first condition. What is the first condition? There is when 150 boxes of a type A. 150 boxes of type A means what? 150X and 100 boxes of type B means what? 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck. Its weight is 10 tons. This is sum. Its weight is 10 tons. Got it? Understood? There is 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. There is 10 tons means what? 10,000 kg. Got it? 10,000 kg. Divide by 10. 15x plus 10y is equal to 1000. Divide by also 5. 5 3s are 15. 3x plus 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 200. This is equation number 1. Now second condition. What is second condition? When 260 types of boxes A, 260 types of boxes A and 40 boxes of B, 40 boxes of B is equal to what? Same, 10 tons. Means what? 10 tons means what? There is 10,000. Got it? Because 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. There is 10 tons is equal to 10,000 kg. Now we divide by 10. 26x plus 4y is equal to 1000. There is also divided by 2. What is the equation? 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. This is the equation number second. We subtracting second from 1. What is second equation? 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. Now first condition, 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. Subtracting means what? Sign will be changes. This is cancelled. 13x minus 3x is equal to 10x is equal to 500 minus 200 is equal to 300. X is equal to what? 300 upon 10 is cancelled. X is equal to what? 30. X value is what? 30. Now put this equation number 1 value. Put x value in equation 1. 330 plus 2y is equal to 200. 90 plus 2y is equal to 200. 2y is equal to what? 200 minus 90. 2y is equal to what? 1110. Y is equal to 1110 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are. So y is equal to what? 55. Understood? Then write down here answer. What is the answer? A types of box weight, B 30 kg and B types of box weight D 55 kg. Then write down also. Okay. Out of 1900 km, Vishal traveled some distance and by bus and some by aeroplane, but travels with average speed 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. Find out the distance Vishal traveled by bus. Now we suppose Vishal traveled x km and aeroplane x km by bus and y km by aeroplane. Got it? Suppose Vishal traveled by x km by bus and y km by aeroplane. Now first condition, what? Out of 1900 km Vishal traveled some distance bus and some by aeroplane. Means what? Some distance bus and some distance aeroplane is equal to 1900. This is equation number 1. Now second condition, what is the second condition? But traveled with average speed is 60 km/h and average of speed is aeroplane is 7 km/h. Now speed of bus, या तो लिखो bus of speed is equal to what? formula is what? Speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. Then write down here, first write down here formula, speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. Now burst of speed is equal to, distance is what? Burst distance x km and time is what? 60 km per hour. Now aeroplane of speed is equal to, aeroplane is y and there is 700 km hour. 700 km hour. Understood? Now it takes 5 hours to complete the journey. इन दोनों को 5 घंटे लगते हैं जर्नी को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. We add x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5 hours. Got it? There is denominator numbers. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 6 into 7 42 and there is 30, then 42,000 into x upon 60 plus 42,000 into y upon 700 is equal to 42,000 into 5. Got it? There is cancelled. 00 will be cancelled. Now 6 1 ja 6, 6 7 ja, there is 700, 7 1 ja 7, 7 6 ja, there is 60 into y is equal to this number. There is 700x plus 60y is equal to, there is 30, 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 20 plus 1 is 21. Got it? Now 10 will divided 70x plus 6y is equal to 21. There is only 30. Got it? This is equation number 2. Now the first equation having constant number y is 1. We multiply here is 6. Understood? Multiply 6x plus 6y is equal to, there is 0 11,400. Now equation number, this is third. Understood? There is positive sign 6y, there is also positive sign. We apply here subtracting. There is equation 21,000. First write down here 70x plus 6y is equal to 21,000. 6x plus 6y is equal to 11,400. Subtracting what we gave values, then minus. This is cancelled. 70 minus 6 is 64x is equal to 0 0 6. There is 10 minus 1 is 9. X is equal to what? 9600 upon 64. Divide by 2 3 ja 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16 is equal to 16 2 ja 32 and 16 3 ja 300, 2 1 ja 2 1 ja and 50. Now x is equal to what? 150. X is equal to what? 150. Only find out the value of x because there is not find out the value of aeroplane. Understood? The right answer here. What is the right answer? Vishal traveled by 150. Understood? There is unit is what? Kilometer. 150 kilometer. Vishal traveled by 150 kilometer by bus. बस, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। अगर आपको यह वीडियो मेरा अच्छा लगा हो तो इसको लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करना ना भूलें।